start it slow. Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. In today's video, we've done some previous landscaping here, as you can see, and we're going to be putting some of these different smaller ones in, and I'll have a special tool that we ordered for some of our plants here that help make it a whole lot easier. This right here, I'll have a link in the description below. You can buy this. It fits into any drill. You just open it up. You're going to have to open it up all the way for the hole there. It's got a pretty good size there, and then tighten it down. And there you go, and it gives you a little anchor point to start, so it actually fits into the ground, so it goes where it wants, and then it goes. And my only thing is just be a little careful, because if you do hit a rock or a root, it will come around and hit you in the shin or something like that. So do start off a little lower. You may want to turn your speed down to 1 or something like that. That may be helpful. So it makes it a whole lot easier digging small ones like this. This almost makes the hole perfect for it. So, all right, so we have the paper cut here for where we're going to go. We're just going to take this now and put it in here. Kind of push it down. It's pretty wet in here, and just start it slow. What I kind of do to make it a little bigger too, if you have a bigger plant, just kind of waller it out a little bit as you're going, and just kind of come up with it. Alright, there you have it. Nice little hole. We didn't have to hand dig it or anything. That plant there will fit perfect. Most of these, it will work pretty well. If you get into bigger plants like this, and the roses that she has, these bowling balls up here, you can use it with that. But what I did actually is I would go and drill one hole and then drill another one beside it, and then kind of make like 2 or 3 out of it, and it still wasn't too bad. And then use your little shovel to clean it out. So guys, this is super helpful, makes it a whole lot quicker. So guys, it's about that time of year to go be planting your flowers and for landscaping, all that kind of stuff. Go check this tool out in the description below. Put it in your drill, and it'll make planting a whole lot quicker and easier. And appreciate you guys watching. And remember, as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.